Did you know you can create a whole cast of cartoon characters from just one design? Simply break your design into pieces as shown here and mix and match the parts to create different postures. This process will allow you to create a variety of cartoons in a short amount of time. Not only will you create multiple characters with unique poses, but also with unique colors and sizes. Most importantly, this trick will allow you to put together entire scenes like this one in just a few minutes. It's super easy and I am going to show you how. Let's get started. This is my puppet. It's a facing forward puppet. I usually create a profile one as well. However, for this tutorial, let's just focus on that one. First, let me show you how I organize the layers. Each part of a body is included within a group. I have a group for the head, torso, left wing, right foot, left foot, and tail. The head group is the most complicated one. Let me show you. I always put the line art at the very top of a group. Then, as you can see, I have created different options. One set of eyebrows, two types of beaks, one closed and one opened, and a few sets of eyes. At the very bottom of the group should reside the color. The rest of the groups are pretty simple. They all have only two layers, one for the line art and one for the color. Now is the fun part. After all this hard work drawing and coloring, you can finally play with the different body parts. To move the parts, you will use the transform tool. The tool not only will allow you to move the body parts around, but it will also allow you to rotate them. Just remember that you can always decide to turn off a layer and not use it. As mentioned earlier, you can always turn off layers you don't want to use. You can also duplicate layers. Let's turn off the right wing layer. Click on the left wing layer to activate it. Hit Ctrl+J to copy the layer. Use the transform tool to move the copied left wing to the other side. Go to the Tool Options docker. Here are the two flip buttons. Use the horizontal one to flip the wing. Now move the wing into place. I am going to keep going just to watch and see how easy it is to create a new character. Now I hope that you understand that this is a very simplified demonstration. To make this video as short as possible, I have created this very simple cartoon. Now that said, please create whatever you want and make it as complicated or simple as you desire. And that's it! From a simple design broken into pieces, you have created multiple characters. You can also change the colors at any time since the colors are on their own separate layers. To create a character viewed from the back, just turn off all the facial features and move things around accordingly. Finally, since you are using the transform tool, experiment and change the size of things, just like I did in my family portrait. And that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Au revoir et à bientôt.